Hey Sunny fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. This is another series video which will focus on golf cart renovations. My grandma and grandpa owned this golf cart many years before it got handed down to us. I have many treasured memories of riding this golf cart on my grandparents' mansion farm, riding it near a lake, and riding it up and down a hill to go sledding at their cabin. It is a core childhood memory. Once they started living at our house, Brandon had so many plans. These renovations did not happen all at once. They occurred over a series of months. All products shown in this video will have Amazon links in the video description below. The first step was installing the headlights. This kit came with a paper template. We used a jigsaw to cut the plastic and used a Dremel on the curved part so we wouldn't cut too far. The next step was wiring up the headlight switch. We used the screws that came with the kit. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. The last renovation for part 1 of this series includes installing a lift kit. We took the old frame and replaced it with a new one. We originally put everything together loosely and then went back a second time to tighten the frame. It's always good to double check if everything is nice and snug for automobiles since you're driving them. Next, we installed the rims and the tires. The set came with 4 tires. If you'd like to see the rest of the renovations, including painting, adding a windshield, and installing a backseat kit, make sure you stop by our channel next Wednesday. We hope that you all have a great week.